Bro, it's my first time recording. And you keep chatting here, bro. What's you? What? You so sassy. Oh, I mean, guys, hello. I can sell for more video like this. This is my first time videoing again because I quit my other account. Comment if you want to know why I quit. So basically, I have no Robux. I have 1,000 Robux. My mom gave to me, and I just want to say my real name. Wait, my real name is and say it. Bakit discussion? My real name is yay! Like how I said, guys. Okay. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna explore the hospital, the haunted of the secret of the hospital. You know there's so many things like the orange Whoa, this is so. Oh, got a shadow there. Sit here. So this is the entrance. Okay. Wait, where's the jeep buddy? Oh, he's there. Okay, now this other secret cemetery here, okay, here. So scary. Now let's go to the downtown. Go there. See if we can find secrets. I didn't get the secret here before, so I'm gonna get it now. It's so hard. So hard.
Gusto ko yung ganyan. Binigyan din kita. Tama na rin ang maglaro ka dyan sa malaking bahay. Huwag mo i-iri. Kasi lalabas ng ating minsan. Wala kang kalaro. Laruin mo.
Okay, we're just gonna skip that. I can press it. Literally, can press it. So we're just gonna skip this part. So hard. Let's go here. The ending of the video is if I get a okay, this is the ending of the video, guys. Guess it's nighttime in my real life. Now, guys, my mom wants me to sleep now. So, bye. I don't want to be grounded.
Oh!
Bro,
Pinulot siguro ni Papa mo yan.
hindi ko